Easy audio. Hey, can I get a demo? Oh, it is. All right, what do you got in here, man? I got 212s, XL Elites DCs on a Gately 7.1K. Fourth order, blow through the deck lid. All right, so my son, what year is this? 22. Okay, my son has a 21, same car. And I might have to hit you up for some tips because, you know what I mean? I don't know that much about it. Don't do 16 volts. You're gonna lose your windshield now. Okay, this pause where I feel like I'm the hottest. My baby not really gossip. I'm simply. I've been waiting for this one. Thank you for running all my shit, dude.
Oh, of course.
I know we've been friends for a long time, but that don't mean I don't appreciate it. Thank you so much. It looks so good back there. Hey, do I get to get a demo or what?
Heck yeah, get in here.
Give us some crispy fucking. Yeah. Dude, you're running the eye popped out sticker.
Yes.
Badass, dude.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, dude, Hand Dog is gonna love that. Clearly, we're still under construction for life. What do you have in here? Tell me what all this shit is.
These are the NSA Sergeant Major, and they're kind of Gately hybrids also. We're using some of the Gately soft parts, but the motors are NSA, it's the voice coils and the motors. And we have two Gately 15Ks in the back, 2 subs per 15K, and then we have an 8-channel Gately audio running on like the mids and highs right now that we have.
Goddamn. How many fasteners are holding those in?
All of them.
30 per woofer?
All the top ones have the plates that you made.
Ported or fourth order, or what do we get? Well, sixth order, kind of. No, ported. Just ported right down the middle.
No, quarter wave Labyrinth.
Quarter wave Labyrinth.
Yeah, it's like the double shot enclosures that I have back in the day in the 2000s. So this is a quarter wave design. Takes the back wave and brings it back into phase with the front wave, but even more because it's a mechanical amplifier.
Is it like a snail shell?
Kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, scale shell and double shots were designed after this. That's what they're based off of.
That's some cool shit, man. All right, well, let's go. What do we got on the menu?
All right, we're going to play Hang Up, 25 to 46 hertz, Madonna. You ready?
Yeah.
And I'm going to do this. No, keep that open, please. All the
from 10 to 100.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
That super wide band was super musical, really flat and heated. Yeah.
Excellent, good shit, man. Thanks for the demo.
Yep.
Don't see audio. Daily, Warpath.
Oh, wait. Nope. I was on the right one. This is what, Ronald Jenkins. It has like this really cool bass note in it that we get to, like, I don't know, 40 seconds into it, and it does a sweet, really low frequency up to a high frequency, and it almost gives you the buzz where it almost makes you feel like you float for a second. That usually catches a lot of people off guard. So. Not there yet.
With you.
I know. Coming up, this next big block. That cool? Alright.
Better let those fucking things cool down, man.
Yeah.
I don't smell no coil yet, but goddamn it.
Got a crowd.
I can feel the heat.
Right.
on my-